Hey guys, giving you a mini garden tour while I talk about this comment about baking my soil. So, baking your soil looks like tarping it and leaving it in the sun so that it'll bake out any potential eggs. Another method is boiling water and pouring it into your soil, and that's a very common choice to prevent fungus gnats. However, when you do that, you bake out the nutrients in your soil as well. So, if you had just spent a bunch of money on expensive soil with fabulous nutrients in it, then you would have wasted your money because you would be cooking that out of the soil. This comment also assumes that the aphids came from my soil. Is that a potential? Sure, but more likely it came from one of my house plants from the box store. Even more likely is that it came out from outside from existing plants in the garden, things that are perennials, because for some reason I am just dealing with a lot of aphids this season, and I did not last season. And that particular tray, just like the rest of the trays that we've talked about that are out here in the greenhouse, they keep getting hardened off. So they go outside for a couple of hours, come back inside, go outside, come back inside. So that tray has been outside and exposed to the environment. So if you do consider doing that, it's not a bad practice. You just have to remember that you will have to put nutrients back into your soil.